You only need to master this one single pattern in order to be a consistently profitable trader. Price breaks out of consolidation. The breakout candle is a strong candle. By a strong candle, I mean the body of the candle is at least 60% of its total range. The preceding candles are small and do not show strength. Here's how I trade it. Once I see that pattern, I place a buy stop order just above the high of the next candle. My stop loss goes below the low of the breakout candle. With each new candle close, I move my buy stop order just above the high of the most recently closed candle. In this case, I get into a position on the fifth candle after the breakout. I immediately move my stop loss to the most recent swing low. There are many ways to exit. Trailing the lows of the most recent candle is a good start. Most times, the setup provides great risk-reward opportunities. When it fails, the losses are small. For more price action trading strategies like this one, subscribe to Traders Cafe.